In today's video, I would like to show you how to show and hide certain elements using the dynamic visibility module. And today's requirement is so you need to have JetEngine plugin and the calendar module enabled and dynamic visibility module enabled and Elementor page builder free version. So that's all you need. So I would like to talk about three things today. So the first one is I'd like to show you how to set up a dynamic visibility to show a coming soon label and hide a dynamic link when one of the meta field is empty in your calendar widget and a single page template. And the second one is hide a registration button when the meta field is empty. The third one is hide the registration button when the meta field value is checked. Hi, my name is Osamu Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. So let's get started. So I have a monthly calendar view here using a calendar widget. And then so let's go to JetEngine and then listing template. And then this is the one, calendar event listing. I'll edit with Elementor. So I'm going to add a permalink so that the user can look at the single page. So just a dynamic link, this one. So I'm going just to grab and then put it on here. And then maybe details. And then source, yeah, permalink is okay. Just okay, hit update. And let's refresh here. So you should see this detail link. Actually, probably I can make it more prominent here. And hit update. Okay, so if you click here, and then so you can see the view here. So just title and then description, and then so all the other meta field here. Okay. All right, so let's go back to calendar. Now, here's a situation. So you have a certain date for the event, and you know the title of the event. However, so you don't know about the venue, location, and the time, for example. So if that's the case, you can put on a calendar, but you don't want to show detail because you don't have enough detail of the event. And you want to show a coming soon label. With a Crocoblock dynamic visibility module, so we can do that. So let me show you how. So I'm going to just title here. And I can just say coming soon. So now I have coming soon label and detail link here. And of course, if I hit update and refresh, so it's going to show both, right? Now, so let's go to advance and then go to dynamic visibility here. Oh, by the way, in order to use dynamic visibility, so you have to go to JetEngine here. And then so make sure that this dynamic visibility for widget and section is going to be enabled. Okay. And then so you will see this option here. So I'm going to click that and then you can enable this. In my case, so I'm going to hide. So this coming soon label here. So I'm going to hide element if condition met. And the condition is going to be exist. And there's going to be a custom field. So under JetEngine, you see custom field here. And then so you're going to pick, in my case, so if location, right? So if location exists and actually time both exist, so this coming soon label is going to be hidden. Okay, so I'm going to just duplicate this. And then here, so exist, so the custom field, and the next one is time here, okay? and then the relation is and, so both. So if both location and the time exist, so we don't need to show coming soon, so it's going to be hidden. Okay, and then hopefully detail link is going to be showing, and go hit update. All right, so let's refresh this. So the coming soon label should be hidden here. All right, so because both location and time is there. All right, so let's work on this detail label. So this is a dynamic link, and then click this and go to advanced, and then same here, dynamic visibility. So make sure you enable this. Okay, now next one is, so I'm going to hide element, and the condition is going to be doesn't exist. So it's right here. Okay, so it doesn't exist. And then the custom field is going to be, JetEngine custom field, right? And then going to be calendar event location. And I'm going to duplicate this and right here, so it doesn't exist, custom field, and next one is time. Okay, and so relation is going to be or, so not and, or. So if one of location or time is missing, so we cannot show detail link, right? And let's go ahead and hit update. All right, so let's go modify this JetForm Builder workshop. So which is right here. So I'm going to just remove time and hit update. Okay, and let's go back to calendar. So this is the one, and now it shows detail, but now we don't have time. So let's refresh. So now it shows coming soon. So I cannot really click here to show the detail. All right. Actually, I'd like to remove this icon if time doesn't exist. So just go to, I think here. So I'm going to just hide if body is empty. Okay, and then hit update. Then let's refresh. Yeah. Okay. So I can do the same thing on the location here too. It just looks cleaner. Okay, so the next one is I'd like to create the registration link. Here, if there is no registration link, I can hide a link. So before we begin, so let me just go to JetEngine and then add another meta field. So go to post types. So it's going to be calendar event. And then I'm going to add a new meta field. So I'm going to call it to, yes, just stretch this. Registration link, and that's okay. And object type field, and then field type, it's going to be text is okay. All right, so let's go hit update. And so let's see, so refresh this page. So here's the registration link here. So you can put the internal link, whether you create it with JetForm, or external link, a Google form, or like Eventbrite or Zoom. Here, just an example, I have kind of simple Google form here. So I'm going to just copy this link and then paste onto this. Okay, and go hit update. Okay. Now, so let's go to the single page here. So I'm going to, let's go back to dashboard. And I have a single template here. So go to a theme template and then single. And this calendar events, I'm going to hit edit with Elementor. Okay, so I'm going to add dynamic link here. And so the source is going to be, so under calendar event registration link, pick that. And then label I'm going to change to register here. And then let's make this a little bigger here. Okay. And then go to style. change, and this I'm gonna add a background color, text color. I'm gonna pick white, and the background color I'm going to change it to, yeah, let's put the green color here. And then so I'm gonna add some paddings, and then the radius. So it kind of makes it look like a button. All right, so I'm gonna hit update here. Okay, so let's go to edit one of the ChatGTP workshop. So I'm going to have to probably refresh, and then registration link. Okay, so I'm going to just paste the Google form here, and then hit update. All right, so and then go to calendar page, and then so this one, so I'm going to hit the detail, and here register link. So if I click that, that's the Google form. Okay, now so that's fine. Now I like to use dynamic visibility widget to hide if there is no registration link here. Okay, sometimes you can post calendar event or any post, and then the registration link is not really available, and so this button should be hidden, and then maybe put registration is coming soon to just let your user know. Okay, so let's work on that. So let's go back to this template, and then just click here and go to advanced, and then go to dynamic visibility, and then let's enable it. So it's gonna be, so I like to hide this element if the condition is gonna be met. So if it doesn't exist, and the field is gonna be JetEngine custom field, and then I have to pick, so this registration. If registration link doesn't exist, so this button is going to be hidden. Okay, so I'm gonna go hit update. And then so let's go to so calendar. So for example, so I know that this SEO workshop doesn't have a link. So let's check it out. So there's no button here. Okay, so that's great. Now, so let's go back to template again. So I'm going to add some text here, and then it's gonna see. So I'm gonna show registration is not available yet, and I'm gonna just and go to just advanced, and once again dynamic visibility, enable it again. So I'm going to hide this element. So the condition is going to be, now next one is exist. So here the custom field is going to be JetEngine, and then pick custom field, and then right here, so I'm going to choose calendar event registration link. If registration link exists, this label is going to be hidden. Okay, so I'm going to just hit update. So let's go to SEO workshop here. So let's refresh this page. Now it shows registration is not available yet. Okay, so let's go to edit this page. And so I'm going to, just copy and paste the Google form here, and then hit update. And then let's take a look at it. Now, so registration link is going to be here and takes you to Google form. All right. So the last one I'd like to show you is, so let's say if you want to put all the information, including a registration link, but you don't want user to register yet. So in this case, I will create a new meta field and then use dynamic visibility to hide a registration link. So let me show you how. Let's go back to JetEngine and the post type and the calendar event. And I'm going to create a new meta field here. So I'm going to say, so registration unavailable. So I'm going to say, so description, so check this box if registration is not available yet. Okay. And so I'm going to be using here. Okay, and then checkbox right here. Okay, so just get the new field here, the value not available, and then something like that. All right, so I'm going to just hit update here. Okay, so let's go to this SEO workshop. Okay, so now I have a registration link. So if you remember, so if you go to preview here, so there is a link here. Okay, so now let's go back here and I'm going to actually refresh this button. Now, so registration unavailable, so not available. So I'm going to just check this, and then I'm going to go into hit update here. And so let's go to Elementor here. So I'm going to just so if that meta field checked, I would like to hide this button here. Okay, so I'm going to go to advanced and then dynamic visibility, and then here, so hide element if condition met. So condition, so here, so value is checked. Okay, and then field is let's go to back to custom post type, and then so this is my calendar event. Go to meta field, and I just added registration unavailable. So this name ID, so I'm going to copy this, and then back here, and then field, I'm going to paste that. All right, and the value is, sorry, I got to go back again, and then value is here. So yeah, the option value is not available. So copy this, and so the value, I'm going to paste that. Okay, hit update. Now, so let's go to SEO workshop here, and then now, so remember this, so I've checked this, and then should be hidden. So I'm going to just hit update. Okay, see that, and then let's check again. So let's go here and then uncheck, update, and then refresh this page, and then it's showing up here. Okay, so once again, so we covered those three things today. So how to set up a dynamic visibility to show a coming soon label and hide a dynamic link, and hide the registration button when the meta field is empty. And the third item was hide the registration button when the meta field value is checked. So I hope this helps, and I see you next time.